My name is Andrew Aubrey, CEO of SeekOps, and we are a gas detection UAS services company. Drones offer a very efficient solution to be able to survey multiple upstream assets in one single flight. So what we do is we combine state-of-the-art sensor technology with the UAS mobile platforms to be able to allow very efficient and very effective gas detection, localization, and quantification. We actually send our pilots out to upstream assets, and we collect data using our UAS integrated with our Seek IR sensors. And then we actually collect the data, send it back, and analyze that and report that back to the customer. We are reporting data in real time. We have operating teams of 2 people, 1 pilot in command and 1 ground control station operator, and everything is being streamed back to our ToughPad tablet in real time. We're able to identify where leaks are coming from, where emission points are coming from, and take action and notify the operator if needed. So really our uniqueness, which makes us stick out across all UAS service providers, is our sensor technology. And that's the Seek IR sensor, about a 250 gram sensor package that gives parts per billion sensitivity to methane. So our roadmap has us looking at different gases, tailoring that for hazardous gases, tailoring that towards other greenhouse gases where there are emissions concerns. We also are creating a saleable product, a handheld sensor based on that same core technology. In our case, methane emissions are very much a concern for multiple companies right now. It's a very hot topic, and new technologies really offer a lot of benefit in integrating to help solve that problem. As we've scaled our flight teams, we're able to find very skilled, very experienced pilots that understand operations in industrial environments. In oil and gas, of course, our safety culture with our company really helps maximize how we're able to operate. In the long linear use case, our sensor technology can be integrated with fixed wing. Right now, what we're working in is upstream using multi-rotor platforms. Very high maneuverability, allows us to sense all of the emissions from a site, localize those, and quantify those. Downstream, we're also working in, and that's with public utility companies mainly, and that's looking at the lower pressure distribution infrastructure, everything from metering stations, gathering facilities, and also pipeline infrastructure on the distribution side. The midstream, we're not currently addressing, but in my mind, that needs the beyond visual line of sight to really be unlocked. And then our sensor technology is compatible with fixed wings, so we're excited about that to come in the near future. I've been coming to the Energy Drone Coalition for 3 years now. That's the very first one was 2 years back, so I've been in attendance every single show. Year 2 last year was a lot larger, a lot better representation, and then now what you're saying is the attendance this year is really through the roof. So what that does is that really maximizes the value of our participation because we're able to access more companies that are looking for unique solutions, especially in the gas detection space, and then we're able to just connect with more of the major oil and gas operators in the upstream and the downstream space. Data security has come up, it always comes up, and I believe is usually one or a few of the focused sessions here at the Energy Drone and Robotics Summit. It is always sensitive data when you're collecting data from production sites, upstream and downstream. And specific to our uniqueness in the methane detection space, emissions are such a hot button topic that it is considered sensitive data by all of our customers. So we just make sure to really be good stewards of that data and really have a good chain of custody every single step of the way. In terms of data volume, that's another big challenge. So you've got cameras that are higher and higher resolution. You have thermal imaging capabilities, higher and higher resolution. In our case, we reduce all of that on the platform to be very low bandwidth, low needs for data streaming. But when it comes to high resolution cameras, that's a big one that we have to contend with. So the fact that we do all of this data collection using UAS and all of that data reduction on the platform means that we don't need to stream massive quantities of data back to the ground station. So that really makes our data volume need not a huge concern. When we do other drone services with a high resolution imagery, that's kept specific to customer on our cloud, on our data cloud that we use. And that's how we do all of our data delivery to the customers. High security, safe, and customer specific, so there's no concerns there. Energy Drone Coalition has been great for our company. I'd say the number one reason that we continue to attend 3 years running now is that you get to have the right people from the major oil and gas companies who are interested in new technology, deploying new technology, evaluating new technology. So you're immediately connected with the right subject matter experts from all the companies that's very difficult to access commonly. The fact that the Energy Drone Coalition brings everyone in one location from all the major oil and gas operators combined with the solution providers means that you can access the right decision makers all in one place.